Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to unfollow someone on Facebook. First of all, open Facebook application on your device and you will see different posts from your friends. For example, here I am having a post, so tap on the three dots in front of your friend's name. Here you will see different options. One option is hide post and second option is hide all from your friend. So if you want to hide only this post, you can tap on hide post, and if you want to hide all posts from your friend, so tap on hide all from your friend. For example, I tap on hide all from my friend and you will see that there is an option now showing you would not see photos from friend in your feed. So in this way you can hide all posts from your friend. And if you want to unfollow your friend, tap on profile icon of your Facebook ID and tap on find friends. Now tap on your friends. In your friends you will see the list of your friends. For example, I tap here on your friends. So tap on three dots in front of your friend. Here you will see three options: unfollow your friend, block your friend, unfriend your friend. So you can select any one of them and you can unfollow your friend from your Facebook ID. For example, I tap here on unfollow the friend, so I will tap on unfollow the friend simply. So in this way you can unfollow someone on Facebook. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you find any sort of trouble in doing this process, you can comment me. I will try my best to answer your comments. At the end, I request you please subscribe to my channel Technical Risers and turn on the bell notification for getting all notification of my this sort of technical video, and must hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Your one like is very useful for us.